As you can see, there is greenery everywhere. You know what that means? That means we are in Northeast right now. So we are about to land in Lokapiriya Gopinath Bodolai International Airport after like 5 or 10 minutes. And I'm gonna show you guys the Guwahati airport as well. This view is sick. I love this view. So now we are in the Lokapiriya Gopinath Bodolai Airport, also known as the Guwahati Airport and formerly known as the BOYA Airport. So it is the primary airport of the northeastern states of India, and it is the 8th busiest airport in India. It is located in Borjhar, 26 km from Dispur, the capital city of the state of Assam, and 28 km from Guwahati, and is named after late Gopinath Bodolai, a freedom fighter and the first Chief Minister of Assam after India's independence. The airport is managed by Airports Authority of India and also serves as an Indian Air Force base. This airport has undergone numerous expansions and renovations since its establishment in 1958. In January 2019, Guwahati won bids for 2 international destinations under the Udan scheme. Destinations being most anticipated Dhaka and Bangkok Don Muang. I'm not sure about the pronunciation, but after all it's Bangkok. You people got it, I guess. In February 2019, the airport has been privatized and given on lease for 50 years to Adani Group at the highest bid of rupees 160 per passenger. The 3D plan of the Guwahati airport looks super beautiful. Just look at it. Full of greenery, and wow, it looks awesome. The airlines operating at Guwahati Airport are Jet Airways, Kingfisher Airlines, Go Air, Air India, SpiceJet, Indigo, Alliance Air, Pawan Hans, Arunachal Helicopter Service, Meghalaya Helicopter Service, Northeast Shuttle, and Truck Air. So I'll be heading home right now. See you in my next video. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for sure. Thanks for watching.